What's up, bud? It's Rob. This is Apparel Success. And in this video here, I want to share with you how to package and ship an order for your clothing brand. Going to take you through the full process from the moment you receive the order to packaging the order itself, to creating the shipping labels, and to shipping it out. I've packaged thousands of orders for my own clothing brand, and I wanted to make this video for those of you who are just starting up a clothing brand, wondering what the process looks like so that you can see it in full detail. Here it is. Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at Design Crowd. And if designs are something that you struggle with, I really recommend that you give them a shot. I use them for my own clothing brand. These are some of the best-selling designs on my website, and I got them all made through Design Crowd. If you're interested, head over to designcrowd.com/apparel to learn about the special offer that I have for you, or simply use the discount code APPAREL when you post a project on Design Crowd. All right, so on this channel, I like to talk about a lot of really advanced concepts, and I also like to have videos like this, where I'm getting to the bare bones of what it looks like to grow a clothing brand. And this video here is going to be a very simple video for those of you who are looking to start up a clothing brand and you just want to understand what the process is like to process an order for your clothing brand. When I first started up my clothing brand, I had never shipped a package or sent any mail in my entire life. And so I literally didn't know how to do it. And this video here is for those of you who have never done something like this before and you're looking to see exactly how it all works. So let's jump into it. So since every clothing brand owner that's watching this is likely using a different website hosting platform, some of you are using Wix, some of you are using Shopify, Big Cartel, WordPress, I want to show you how to process an order and create a shipping label using the third-party apps like UPS and Canada Post. And I also want to show you how to process an order and create a shipping label from Shopify itself. So the first thing that I'm going to show you here is receiving an order on Wix, where I process the order and create the shipping label using the third-party app of Canada Post, although you could also use UPS, FedEx, and Purelator to do this as well. So assuming that you've got your website set up and you're able to accept payments, when you get an order in, the first thing that you need to do is pack that order, obviously. And what I'm showing you here is me packing an order for a hoodie, a tank top, a hat, and some stickers. And I'm packing this order inside of a 10-inch by 10-inch by 10-inch box that I will then be creating the shipping label for, that I can literally just create the shipping label for, stick it to the box, and the shipping label's already been paid for, which means that I don't have to go to the post office and pay for it there. I can pay for it all in advance and either get a pickup to come to my house to pick it up for me, or I can basically go and just drop it off at a Canada Post and just leave. So packaging the orders is easy. What I really hope to help you with in this video is processing the orders and creating the shipping labels so that you can do this in a really efficient way moving forward. What I purchased is a thermal label printer that I really recommend every clothing brand owner who's working from home and doing this from home purchases. I put a link in the description below to the one that I have. I'm not at all being paid anytime you click on that link or if you decide to buy one. It's just the one that I use, and I hope that it helps you just by sharing this resource with you. And the reason why you want to buy one of these printers is because when you print a label, it comes sticky already, so you don't need to tape it to the box or do anything like that. And it's just a really efficient way to print your labels when you get a lot of orders rolling in. But let's go back to the order that I received that I'm packing here. And let's create the shipping label using Canada Post. Now, once again, I'm going to be creating this shipping label using Canada Post, but you can be doing this using UPS, Purelator, or FedEx. They all have this online where you can basically create your labels and pay for your shipments online without having to go into a store or do anything like that. So what I would do is I would go into Canada Post Snap Ship, is what it's called, and I'm gonna go back to my order and I'm gonna copy the shipping address that the customer has left for us to ship to, and I'm gonna start pasting the information into their online platform where you can fill out all the information and pay for the shipment all on your own at home. And so you copy all of their shipping address information, you paste it into this Snap Ship. Then all that you have to do after that is put in the dimensions of the box and the weight of the box. Now, I've been doing this for so long that I knew exactly how much the items weighed based on exactly what was going into the box. So I knew that if it was a hoodie and a t-shirt and a hat, it would weigh a certain amount. And if it was, just a single t-shirt, it would weigh a certain amount. You'll get better with this the more that you do it. But basically you want to just put in the dimensions of the box, the weight of the box, and then select however way you want to ship it out. If it's expedited, standard, if it's express, whatever it is, and pay for it. And that's basically all that you have to do in order to actually process the order and create the shipping label. Now, the way that these labels are formatted right after you purchase them aren't going to be set up for a label printer like the one that I have that prints 4x6. So what I'm going to have to do is reformat these labels that I've just created so that they fit for my label printer. And this is a super simple process that I want to take you through because I think that this is really going to help those of you who haven't quite figured this out yet. So basically what you're going to do once you've created your labels is you're going to save them to your computer in the form of a PDF. Once you've saved the labels to your computer, I open them using an application called Adobe Acrobat. And this is a really crucial application for me to use when it comes to resizing the labels that I've created for all my orders through Canada Post, because it's a really, really good application for resizing all of these labels so that they're perfect for this printer. And you can resize any type of label, UPS, FedEx, any of them using this software. I'm going to show you how right now. So you open up the labels into Adobe Acrobat. And once the labels are open, so you can have 50 labels in here that you just paid for. So say you had 50 orders, they're all coming into the same sheet here. All you have to do is go to Edit PDF. After you click Edit PDF, you go to Crop Pages. Then you basically just click the mouse where you want to crop it around the exact label, and you double click inside of that. Once you double click inside of that, it's going to create a pop-up window. You go down to page range and you click all, and then you hit OK, and boom, you've literally just cropped every single label that you've just paid for and created so that it fits perfect for your label printer. That literally takes 2 seconds when you really get the ball rolling with it. It doesn't really add any extra time at all. And it's gonna be really nice when you get to print all these on your label printer because the label printer is super fast and you're gonna be able to process all these orders really, really quickly. And so all that you have to do next is literally just go to the printer icon, go to page setup, select the printer that you're using, and make sure that you change the paper size to 4 inches by 6 inches because that's the exact size that the label printer takes in order for you to be able to print these. Once you hit OK, boom, you'll start printing and all of your labels will be printing in the perfect size for your label printer, and you can literally just peel them off, stick them on the box, and your boxes and all of your packages for all of the orders that you just received are ready to go. And that's what the process looks like if you're processing your orders through a third-party app like Canada Post, UPS, FedEx, things like that. And you can also do this way more efficiently through Shopify because you can literally pay for the labels themselves inside of Shopify and print them all to the right size inside of Shopify as well. So this is sort of the longer, more manual version, kind of like if you were to drive a car, this is like teaching you how to drive the car manually, but there's much faster ways because Shopify has really automated all of this, and you can fill out all of this stuff and print all these labels directly from Shopify as well. Then to finish it off, it doesn't matter if you're using Canada Post, UPS, FedEx, or Purolator, any of them. All you have to do is go to their website, go to schedule a pickup, and schedule a pickup for them to come to your location, and they'll literally just take the order and leave with it, and it's gone. You don't have to do anything else because you've already processed the order, you've already paid for it, and it's good to go. So this was a really bare bones way for those of you who are starting up a clothing brand, trying to understand what this process looks like, and I really hope that this helps give you some better insight, a better process for how exactly you can process orders for your own clothing brand moving forward, and I really hope that it helped. If you got a lot of value out of this video, please hit the like button for me. It really helps me get these videos out there. And let me know what you think about all this in the comments below. And if you haven't already, check out my free clothing brand marketing masterclass. All you have to do to get access is go to apparelsuccess.com/masterclass, and you can watch the whole thing for free. And if you've made it to this point in the video, I want to tell you about the closed Facebook group that we have with Apparel Success. There's a link in the description. Follow that link, join us in the group, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.